Hi, I hope you're all doing great. Let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chart, and you will have the B major composed of the D sharp, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Next, the F sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F sharp, and the A sharp, and the bass note of F sharp. Then, the G sharp minor composed of the D sharp, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of G sharp. And eventually, the E major composed of the E, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of E. And for the time being, I suggest you play these chords like this, so you can either play the bass twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you do this on every chord, which would give 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can play the bass 4 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will be alternating between the bass and the chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Well, you done me. Then you move on to the verse, but notice that you also have a blue column that I called notes, where I suggest playing the guitar melody. So first, you will play the single notes of B and C sharp, and then the B together with the B bass. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? And after that, you will play the chord 3 times instead of 4. So chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass. Then you move on to the next line. 1, 2, 3. Chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass. Third line, exactly the same idea. 1, 2, 3. Chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass. And finally the last line. Chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass. All together it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3. Chord, bass, chord, bass, chord, bass. 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 And now at the original speed. 1, 2, 3. Either way, you will play this chart once before moving into the first verse, and you will be keeping the exact same chord progression. So you could play with 2 bass notes. Well, you done me, and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get back before the cool don't run out. So on the word cool, you will play this chart a second time, and this time I'll play the bass 4 times. Before the cool don't run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I. And you reach the first chorus, which will use the exact same chart. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Ooh, yeah. By the way, I really recommend staying until the end of this video because I'm gonna show you a much more expressive version using these very same charts. So we reached the second verse, which is played almost exactly the same way. So let me bring up the chart, and this time you will have one extra chord, the C sharp 7 composed of the F, the G sharp, and the B, and the bass note of C sharp. And since the first section is identical, I will jump straight to the second section where this extra chord appears. 3, 4.
Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved.
And chorus. But of course, you could also play these chords in arpeggios. So let me display a readapted chart, and this time you will play like this. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this on every chord, which would give 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will resume with the vocals on the second section.
Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved.
Right after that, you will reach the second chorus, and you can keep playing this chart if you'd like to continue playing in arpeggios.
So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time.
So you will play this chart twice in a row to complete the second chorus. After the second chorus, you will have an interlude, and you can use this chart to play through it. Personally, I'm gonna go back to block chords, but of course you could keep playing arpeggios by dividing the values by 2. I'm yours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
I've been spent way too long.
And then you play the third verse, and you're gonna reuse the chart from the first verse using whichever playing style you prefer. But the third chorus is gonna be a little different because this time you will hold each chord for 8 beats. Let me display the corresponding chart.
But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need.
And on the word need, you go back to the regular chorus rhythm. And you can repeat this chorus as many times as you like before ending the song with the B major chord. And as promised, I'm gonna give you a demonstration of a more expressive version using these exact same charts. So I will be completely improvising here. I couldn't even play it the exact same way twice, but it's simply to show you how you could use these charts with the skills that you're gonna develop throughout the course. One of those skills being not playing just one single bass note, but playing 3. Okay, so let's play 3. So like this for the B major, like this for the F sharp major, like this for the G sharp minor, and like this for the E major. So first, I will give you a demonstration using mostly block chords.
So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to.
Or you could choose a much more arpeggiated approach.
There's no need to complicate our time. Each sure this is our fate. I'm yours.
And that's exactly why I created my piano and singing course to help you express yourself like this. So feel free to check it out now on music-head.com. I wish you good luck with this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.